Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you swatches and a quick tutorial using the new Zodiac palette by Kathleen Lights Colourpop. I'm so excited about this palette, so if you'd like to skip to the tutorial, I'll put a timestamp below, and let's go ahead and just get into it. Starting from the top, the first shade is the Aries, which is a deep orange shimmery shade. The next shade is the Taurus, which is a mid-tone matte brown. Then we have the Gemini, which is a shimmery beige gold. Then the last shade in the top row is the Cancer, which is a shimmery light pink. In the second row, we have the Leo, which is a duochrome shade, which shifts a orangey yellow tone, and I'm a Leo, so this is my favorite shade in the palette. Then we have the Virgo, which is a matte deep brown. Then we have the Libra, which is a satin pinky beige color. Then we have the Scorpio, which is a burgundy shimmer. In the last row, we have the Sagittarius, which is a matte plum shade. Then we have the Capricorn, which is a matte black with gold sparkles. And next to that, we have the Aquarius, which is an indigo matte shade. And lastly, I didn't get it captured, but it's the Pisces, which is a very sparkly teal shade. To start off the eye look, I'm going to take the shade Aries on a very small pencil brush, and I'm going to start drawing a wing. And I'm using the line where my eye folds to kind of give me a guide of where I want to stop the end of the wing. And I'm also taking my time building up that color just so you can really tell it's a vibrant orange shade. Using a synthetic brush, I'm dipping into the shade Leo, and I'm going to spritz that with Max Fix Plus. I'm going to spread that shade all over the eyelid, and I'm keeping it underneath the crease where my eye folds to give that cut crease effect. And then I'll go in with the shade Aries again, just to deepen up that outer corner. Then I'm using Midnight Cowboy Glitter to carve out the top of my lid, again to create that cut crease effect using glitter. Then I'll be taking the shade Gemini on a synthetic brush, and I'm going to place that on my inner tear duct and also kind of drag it down onto my lower lash line. On a pencil brush, I'll be dipping into the shade the Aries again, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner of the lower lash line and blend it into the Gemini. And then I'm going to take my NARS Bonaparte eyeliner and place it on my waterline. And I'm just going back in and touching up the two shades I just put on the lower lash line. Using a pencil brush, I'm dipping into the shade the Taurus, and I'm basically going to put that underneath the inner tear duct shade, the Gemini. And what I'm doing here is creating kind of a shadow so it creates a pinched look. Lastly, I'll be dipping into the shade the Cancer and using that as a brow bone highlight. And here's the finished look. I think this palette is so unique and was so much fun to use. You could really create some cool, unique looks with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. The Zodiac palette gets 2 thumbs up for me.